There was a time not so long ago when change was more manageable. Perhaps you had 2, 3, maybe 4 big projects that were running at any one time, and you also had the luxury, I think, to kind of galvanize the team, to get the most experienced people ready, and to parachute them into the parts of the business that they were supporting. Right? And if you fast forward to now, the environment is very different. And I think we understand the environment. We are hearing about this environment fueled by digital transformation, but at its heart, it's about volume, it's about complexity, it's about pace. We need to get things done faster, we have more of it to do. It's about trying to deliver change in 48 hours rather than 48 days. And what that's saying to us is that as change practitioners, as project managers, as program managers, we have to be more focused. And the plans that we make for people need to somehow be more aligned to the way that we deliver our projects. And all this needs to happen somehow in a timely fashion. I think there's some real implications and challenges because, in different organizations, there are just different ways that change management is handled. Where do I find a resource? Do we actually have expert change management resource, or are project managers doing it all? There are multiple playbooks, even in certain disciplines, there are aspects of change in the disciplines. Is it enough? Do we still need more change management? And then, on major projects, practitioners are disparate. They're in different parts of the organization, and so we have to find a way to actually get consistent information to people who may be geographically dispersed. Our type of solution brings speed, it brings agility. It's a consistent way of doing things across different roles, different teams, different geographies, and our type of solution brings ease of alignment, which major change needs. Alignment between change management and project management or other methods that are being used to plan and deliver the project. How we help is bringing discipline. We bring with our solution, we bring a plan discipline, and it's a discipline like project management. Some of these projects are run by project managers. There's no independent change manager. And so this discipline needs to be not only easy to integrate, but it also needs to be something that they recognize. Well, the first thing we're doing is helping them to align the change management plan with the project management plan. So what we're bringing with our application is plan discipline. So if you consider, different project stages, and it depends on which kind of project framework that you're using, a stage might be initiate, another stage might be organize, or lead, another stage might be engage. What we're bringing is plan discipline. When is it that you need to do certain change management activities? What is the step from a change management perspective that is relevant under the initiate stage of a project or the organize stage of a project? What are the critical activities that need to be taken care of when we're in the deploy stage of a project? So the first thing that we're bringing to get organizations started with alignment is plan discipline. The second thing that we're doing is upskilling. We're upskilling across geographical boundaries. We're upskilling quickly. We're upskilling cost effectively with our platform. We are mindful of the struggles in organizations of having very expensive resources away for days on workshops. And so this is kind of why we went for targeted videos inside our platform to allow us to help organizations to upskill in this way. The third benefit that we're bringing is data. I think it's all driven by data, particularly in an agile environment where we need to assess and review and pivot quickly. How we're helping organizations align, how we're helping projects align is with data around how adaptable are people, how ready are people, what's the likely impact on people? You know, what do we know about their resistance levels? You know, what do we know about some of the risks and challenges? So we have quite a bit of data and, you know, some benchmarking analytics to allow organizations and their teams to really speed up their decision making. What our clients and our users are telling us is that we've been quite successful at bringing these three critical pieces together. The planning, the integration of data inside the plan, the use of, you know, these data analytics to compare different assessment output and risks, and this piece around skills, the availability of skills across geographies, across teams, across functions. We've brought this together into one single source, one single place where they get the resources they need for change. I think they're saying that, you know, project delivery needs this kind of platform, particularly in high velocity change environments.